what is it? There's a lot of junk on
Just
me.
white paint.
Go on, Steve.
Get evidence. Steven throw. All right, that's good now. Take it, let it come pull itself down. That's it. Pull it up and down a little bit.
Alright. Is that rope strong enough, you think?
Oh yeah, that's pretty strong.
Oh yeah.
We're about halfway, eh? He's gonna cut it. Cut the bottom first, Matt.
Oh well.
Cut the bottom first.
It'll pinch his blade and you'll never get out of there.
Cut the bottom first so you don't get that strip. Cut the bottom first and then start at the top. And then when it starts to crack a little bit, back up and we'll pull it.
Oh, you mean just a little cut.
So just to cut off that mark underneath that strip.
Cut here?
Wherever you want. If you want to, that's perfectly fine.
Gonna cut that one.
Right where you're sitting, cut. Wherever you get the best seat.
Right?
Yeah.
Hey, that's really thick, man. Cut the thin spots on the end.
It'll be good. How many you get? Oh yeah, you got lots of pictures to take.
Good. That? Good?
Good. Yeah, it's good.
Video.
Oh, is it?
Taking a video?
Does it take sound?
Yeah.
That's it. All right. Look at the rope around them, huh? Hope you don't fall.
There is rope around him?
Yeah,
Do you think it's short enough though?
Oh yeah. Yeah. A little long.
What good is that rope?
Stupidity down there?
We're just saying that ropes might be too long for the fall.
Gotta be something wrong with you to get this far up a tree.
Yeah.
You're not a squirrel.
The old monkey.
The original squirrel himself.
Yeah, I used to go up there all the time. Red Matt likes to do it.
Let's show Mom this.
He's
She'll
just
enjoy
young
it.
enough to Greg would climb up there though. I'll bet you.
Rita, well, better not show Rita until after
Greg,
it's all
I
done.
bet you
Yeah.
he'd climb up there. Never mind. I'm gonna go get some water. Anybody want a bottle of water?
No, I'm good. Thanks, though. Just taking a picture. I don't know when it's going to be.
Take a picture of how clean this is. 'Cause you'll never see it that way again.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Well, you know how dirty it was.
Yeah.
You know it.
What's that?
It'll bounce on your end once it lets go.
Yeah.
Email that to Rita.
Just going right through it. You probably want to cut the other side because we're swinging it this way.
Yeah, I'm thinking about wedging it
Are you?
with me, yeah.
All right.
It's thicker than the other ones though, so I
Oh yeah.
gotta play with the depth of the knife too.
Hanging out like that over the way. I wanted to get a rope so we could pull it sideways. So he thought if he notched it this side and cut this side, it would fall that way. But, you know, the gravity was pulling it down and he didn't have any leverage that way. And he said, well, let me get a rope. But he didn't want to wait, so we kept cutting until we got to the notch and everything bonk, straight down.
Wiped out the wires?
Wiped out the wires. Yanked them right off the house.
Was it what happened recently?
No, this is when he lived on Jones Road.
Oh.
Years ago. Just think of the glorious food you can eat for dinner.
We'll have to find some place that does good ribs.
Thinking I'm burning some of those calories I've been taking in lately.
Yeah, right?
That candy bar we've been chumping on.
Probably nothing yet, eh?
No.
Yeah, she's thick. I don't even know what part of her I got through yet. Not much, I know that.
Yeah, you gotta just have like a quarter left before we can break it.
Hold it for a second.
Am I okay where I am? Probably not.
Once we get ready.
Yeah. Huge limb.
We'll be running with it. Once we get it going, we're gonna crack it. We're gonna run once it starts going, so we can keep it away from the house. Yeah. Actually, we can back up the when I hit the stone. Yeah. That's gonna come out, isn't it? Oh, it is.
Why did she want this out again? In case it did fall in the house?
Yeah. Well, Bear said he's saving up some money so he can have that side of the tree trimmed.
Uh-huh.
And then I said, oh, trim tree. He said, oh, I shouldn't have, I told you. You didn't want us to mess with it. You don't want us to get hurt. But that's the fun part of this tree.
You're doing great.
Want me to have an end? You can have an end. Okay, hang on now. We're going to pull a little bit just to see what it does. Can you see it?
She's moving. Not much, but
Okay.
starting. Awesome! We love it when a
Plan comes together.
That's enough for today.
Yeah. We're good, we're good. Clean up group.
Yeah. Everybody, go home.
Just want to see what percent of that I got. Well, I got through most of it.
Yeah, I bet you did.
Hope so.
All but the core, really. It was more than I thought I cut through.
Well, good. I'll get back at the house. Yep, that's enough to keep it.
Can rig it?
No.
If I miss it, I'm coming down. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
We got pretty good at doing that, Trev.
I think so.
I'll wait till you come down more. I was afraid it would just break right off in my hand.
Why don't you put the rope around the limb that Matt has? Too late.
Come on down. I'll get it from, we can still get it from down here.
Alright, let me just... Yeah, it's coming. It's just a little bit of the bark I didn't get to.
Yeah.
That's all it's really holding it. It's nothing with it. Oh shit, I'm shaky as hell.
Oh, is that? When was the last time you trimmed trees?
Got me.
Exactly. Too good.